In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Live Caption in Google Chrome. This fantastic feature allows you to see captions automatically appear when you're playing audio or video, making content more accessible and enjoyable. Let's walk through these steps to activate it together. To get started, you'll need to open Google Chrome on your device. If you haven't already got Chrome, make sure to download and install it from the official website. Once you're in your browser, navigate to the top right corner and you'll notice 3 vertical dots. These dots serve as a gateway to a variety of options and settings within Chrome. Clicking on them will open a drop-down menu. From there, locate and select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize various aspects of your browsing experience. Now, on the left-hand side of the Settings page, you'll see several options organized to help you find what you need without too much hassle. Look for the section labeled Accessibility. Clicking on Accessibility will bring you to a range of settings designed to enhance your browsing experience for greater ease and convenience. Here you'll find the option we're interested in today, Live Caption. Once you spot Live Caption, you'll see a toggle switch next to it. Make sure to toggle that switch on. When you do this, the switch will turn blue, indicating that Live Caption is now active. It's important to remember that this action will signal Chrome to start downloading the necessary speech recognition files. These files are crucial as they are what allow Chrome to generate captions for the audio and video you play in your browser. The downloading process might take a minute or so be patient while Chrome does its thing. Once these files are downloaded and installed, you'll immediately be able to see captions appear at the bottom of the screen as soon as you start playing any audio or video content within Chrome, whether it's a YouTube video, a podcast, or any other form of media. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled Live Caption in Google Chrome. This feature can be a game changer if you rely on captions or find them helpful for understanding audio better, especially in noisy environments or if you prefer reading along with the audio. Promoting accessibility. Live Caption is a valuable tool for users looking to enhance their browsing experience. Remember, you can easily disable this feature anytime by toggling the switch off. Thank you for following along with this guide. We hope it makes your online adventures more accessible and enriching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Have a great day.